Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to send disappearing messages on Viber. This feature is perfect when you want to share sensitive information or just keep your chats clean and temporary. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up your Viber app and tap on the conversation where you want to send a disappearing message. This could be any chat, whether it's with a friend, family member, or colleague. Just select the conversation thread you need. Once you're inside the chat, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and tap on those three dots to reveal additional options for this conversation. This menu gives you access to various chat settings and features that aren't immediately visible in the main chat interface. From the menu that appears, you'll need to find and tap on the option labeled Disappearing Messages. This is the feature that allows you to set your messages to automatically delete after a certain period of time. It's a great privacy tool that ensures your messages don't stick around forever in the chat history. Now you'll see several time options available for how long your message will remain visible before it disappears. Viber gives you 4 different time frames to choose from. You can select 10 seconds for extremely temporary messages, 1 minute if you need just a bit more time, 1 hour for messages that should last a little longer, or 1 day if you want the message to stick around for a full 24 hours before vanishing. Choose the time frame that best suits your needs by tapping on your preferred option. The time you select will determine how long the recipient has to view your message before it automatically deletes itself from the conversation. With your disappearing message settings configured, you're now ready to send your temporary message. Simply type your message in the text field at the bottom of the screen, just like you would with any regular message. Once you've written what you want to say, tap the send button. Your message will now be sent as a disappearing message and will automatically delete after the time period you selected. And that's it. Your message will now vanish from the conversation after the chosen time expires. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.